My name's David Kinsella. I'm the Director of Operations at Murphy Pipelines. One of the things to note about HDPE in the US is that I don't believe the market has trained people well enough. I think there's always opportunity to really train guys up, teach them the standards, use dataloggers, and really provide a full QA package for our clients. It's something that I've worked on with Andy over the past 12 months, and I think we datalog all of our joints now. We have full assurance that everything we're doing is going to pass test. And listen, we very, very rarely would have any issues with doing pressure tests on the back of that. When you look at some of the large diameter pipelines we're doing, like the 40-inch, it's critical that all of those joints are correct before they're installed. Yeah, and I suppose what we've developed as a QA package over the past 12 months, I really think has made us leaders in the industry. I think we can have full confidence in all the systems we've installed, that they're leak-free. We've a very proactive approach to the way we conduct our works on site. We're not a litigious company. We don't go after change orders. We just go to our client and try and provide solutions as quickly as possible and get on with the job. So again, the guys know that and they're very good at it. So I think we can overcome any problem we encounter on site.